All right, hello. My name is Wilfred Radler, and we're going to be going through my game Gem Clicker, explaining how the game works. So we're going to start off at the top. We have two variables that we're global variables that we're using, which is var score and var scene. Var scene is for the scenes that we have in the game, and the score is for the score that's at the top right on the screen. We go down, we look at the button class, which is from Con, and this is where the buttons, the properties of the buttons are, and how you'll be able to actually click on the button that we're using, like the start button that I have. So that's that code right there. And then, as it says over here at the var start button, this is the start button on the main screen, the start screen. So we keep going down, and then right here is pretty much this is the main important part of the game. Since it's a clicker game, we have an if statement that says if mouse at a certain coordinate and mouse y at a certain coordinate, then we add a score. So that's what that code is doing. We're centralizing in the middle of the coordinates where I have an image, so that every time you press that image, it will increase by one score. Okay, we go down and we'll get to our first scene, which is scene 0. This is the first scene that you will see on the screen. We go down to var scene 1, and that's the first scene after, no, the second scene after the start screen of Gem Clicker. Then you'll get to the main screen, which is the first scene. And I used an image from Khan Academy. We go down to scene 2. We have the scene 2 function, which is again another scene which has a classroom, and it's basically like a math room. It's kind of weird, but it's there. And then we keep going down, and right here, the text. This is how we get the score to show up on the top right, or wherever you want it to be. You would use that code right there on that text file. Once again, we use a different image. We go to var scene 3, another scene, because this game is based around changing scenes while clicking at this gem. And we go here, we have a function, and this is also, like I said, another scene that I had from a previous assignment, but I decided to bring it in. Why not? And now we get to the draw function, and right here, this if statement right over here, this is how we change through every scene. So scene 0 is this first screen of Gem Clicker, and then if scene 1 is 1, then we'll go to scene 1, and if it's 2, then we'll keep every time we're incrementing by 1, and then it'll change the scene that we have, and we'll keep going down. And then this is also part of the code that will change the scenes after a certain amount of score. We'll have an if statement again, and if score is greater than or equal to 20, then scene 2. So what that says is that every time that our score is greater than or equal to 20, then we'll change to the next scene, which is like a whole new level thing that I'm doing. And then, like I said, I did it again. Like if score is greater than or equal to 40, then we get to the next scene. And that's the game. That's Gem Clicker. Thank you.